Yes, guys, welcome back. Going to be honest real quick, this is the third time I have filmed this, mainly due to my incompetence with this camera, settings, it not working out with the editing, and I don't want to give you an absolutely unwatchable product. It's horrible. But, good news, car's here, right? And we have parts to account for. We're going to go through the parts that we have, and what parts we do need. There is a couple little OEM parts that we do need to pick up, just so when it goes together smoothly. And yeah, so we'll start that. We'll start with the good stuff. We got Turbski. We have the GT 2560R with the ported and polished wastegate. Apparently the ported and polished wastegate allows for the turbo to not drop off on the top end, which is always handy, right? Over here we have all of our V-clamps and the pipe clamps here for the couplers. We have the hard pipe, the custom intake hard pipes, and for the intercooler, Mishimoto intercooler. The ME221, which is in its case, well, in a factory case, which is quite tidy. We also have the BOFIRacing 1800 organic dual friction plate. It comes with the clutch release bearing, the spigot bearing. I've got extra brand new flywheel bolts, and the MX-5s like to take a couple different oils. This is what BOFIRacing recommends, and they've built many of these, so they know what they're doing. I'll listen to them. On top of that, we have our oxygen sensor, air fuel ratio gauges. We also have vacuum pipe, 550 injectors. Thomas over there making all of the noise. We have the pigtails that come separately. BOFIRacing do it as a kit, believe it or not. But because I bought the injectors second hand, the 550 Bosch, these I had to pick up off of eBay. Now they are factory MX-5 pigtails to EV14s, which, if you've ever done this job before of rewiring stuff, it's so much like, for the sake of £20, buy these guys. It's job's done then. We have 3-port boost solenoid. We have throttle position sensor by Bosch. We have the air intake sensor, which is in a million pieces over there, and a couple other wires. Custom 3-inch exhaust system, which has been pie cutted together, really beautifully pie cutted together. I know I've said this before. But yeah, guys, we basically have everything now. I do believe we need spark plugs, so I might buy some nice juicy HKS ones, just because HKS. I need a sump gasket. Thomas is going to do an order of some AN fittings and Boss for the sump to do it properly, because what came with the kit is like a drill the sump and then just screw it in type jobby. Don't want none of that. No Jubilees. So we're going to do it properly. Yeah, we're pretty much there. I'm going to do another account in my own head. You won't have to see it again before the job. But yeah, we're going to be doing this in one day. One day, which is why I want to get everything together to try and make it so me, Thomas, maybe Nick, you might see Nick too.
He called me Thomas, I'm going to slap you in the dick.
Yeah, his name's Thomas, FYI. Big shout out to BOFIRacing for all the parts that they've been supplying. They supply things so fast. They come with sweeties, come with flyer stickers, all the good stuff. I love it. And we've all, yeah, BOFIRacing brings stickers. Yeah, you got one. You put it on. You put one of them on your thing. Yeah, I got a bunch of stickers, but yeah, even Tom jacked one. They do a thing, and they're quite nice stickers. And fridge magnets. I got one with a MX-5 turbo fridge magnet. So if you do get things BOFIRacing, you get little toys and stuff. This guy already has, from a previous video, a Dishworks 200 fuel pump. So I'm pretty much, like, you let me know in the comments if I'm missing anything, because I'll buy it. Like, I don't want to make my life hard. I'm pretty sure we're there. Now I'm going to hand you over to Thomas so he can talk about his and his father's trials build, which is just here, by the way. Absolutely a weapon. I went out on it. You'll see a bit of footage at the very end. I'm not going to bore you with talking about it. Be footage at the end of whap, 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 up the lane. It's fun.
You can find out all about it and how trialing works on my channel, so head over there and have a little look. This is a Volkswagen Beetle. Can you see it now? just like a Beetle, doesn't it? No, there's not a lot of Beetle left. You've got Beetle front suspension, modified, obviously. You've got shortened Beetle floor pan, Beetle steering, and then come to the back and you've got nothing else Beetle left apart from the gearbox. You've got a Mark 1 1.8 GTI lump, water cooled, running on a carb, so no technology involved here at all. You've also then got big old sump guard, full custom trailing arms on the back, running MX5 hubs and shafts, air shocks, so no torsion bars, full torsion bar delete, so you're running full air shocks on this, no springs or anything like that, it's all modern style. And yeah, there are rules and regs as to why the tyres are little widdly little things like that and stuff like that. Again, come over to Entry Level Motorsport and have a little look and go from there. Burn rubber and stuff.
That's how it goes.
Your camera's on.